So we are right now on the boat,
Sir.
and we are taking a tour of the lands of the Narejo villages all around, and the villages are all underwater still. You can see the depth of the water, that's because we are still in a boat, and there's water everywhere.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं भर लेंगे कोई बात नहीं अभी है
Looks like we are in the middle of a lake, although these are supposed to be fields and villages all around.
हेलो
अच्छा ये बताएं जुल्फी कि यहाँ बोट होने से आपको क्या फ़ायदा हुआ?
सर ये बोट ने जो इनिशियली जो जिस तरह इवैक्यूएशन में हमारे लोगों को निकाला, आई थिंक दिस इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द होल ट्रेजेडी के अंदर जो बोट है, इसका जो इनिशियली जो इवैक्यूएशन में जो हमारी सपोर्ट हुई है, और ये आप सराउंडिंग में इतने सारे विलेजेस देख रहे हैं, ये इन तमाम लोगों को हमने इसी बोट के ऊपर इवैक्यूएट किया है। और उसके बाद भी चूँकि अभी ये लोग तो कुछ निकल के रोड साइड पे आ गए, बट इसमें अभी भी कुछ ऐसी जगह हैं जहाँ पे लोग इस वक्त भी मौजूद हैं, तो उनकी डेली रिक्वायरमेंट्स लाइक मेडिकल एंड जो रैशनिंग वगैरह वो सपोर्ट जो है वो हम इसी बोट के थ्रू कर रहे हैं ऑन डेली बेसिस। तो उसको हमने टाइमिंग किए हुए हैं सुबह को, दोपहर को एंड एट इन इवनिंग टाइम। तो वो हमने 3 टाइम बेस शटल सर्विस जो है वो हम बोट की वो हम उसको एक्सटेंड किया हुआ है जितने सराउंडिंग के विलेजेस हैं उनके लिए। और ये फैसिलिटी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि उस वक्त तक रहे जब तक ये हमारा पानी जो है इस एरिया से इतना हो कि हमारे रोड विजिबल हो जाए, ट्रैक्स विजिबल हो जाए, तो इंशाल्लाह फिर एट ओन लोग होंगे, तो उसके बाद जो है हमारी में भी इसकी सर्विस की इतनी ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है।
We actually, as a Patain Foundation, we acquired this boat last year when we had floods all over Pakistan. At that time we used this boat in Jacobabad and in the Jimpir areas, and we are fortunate that we have this facility, that we brought it down to Sangar, and this boat has been used for rescue operations, as you pointed out now, as being used for transport of supplies and people, medical relief, transporting patients, and it's being used thrice a day, as you said.
Almost thrice a day. And in case of emergency, we have no other mode to evacuate patient from that side to roadside. So that way there were few cases of snake bite and stray dog cases. So we were lucky to have this boat facility, and we were able to transport the patients from that side to roadside. So
now you said that there are lots of snakes and crocodiles in this water as well.
Sir, yes, this is what I came to know day before yesterday. Some villagers have seen crocodiles as well in this area.
And the crocodile has come from the canals.
Yeah, they came from the canal, and we were able to snap those individuals who were climbing or sitting on the tree. They were so scared of that crocodile. This boat rescued those couple of individuals as well who were, about to be victim of those crocodiles. Now you can see this is the forest, sir, and it is underwater, and you can see the birds, Siberian birds who have landed and made its permanent nest here. You can see the feathers and the birds right now. This is all because of prolonged stay of water in this area. So that's why they have made their nest.
1 4